DJM TV. DJM TV.
I stand with the Nigerian youths. I stand with the Nigerian youths. I stand with the Nigerian youths. I will support you with my resources. This is the time to make sure that the struggle is being properly organized. I stand with you in your time of need. I commiserate with comrades who lost their lives, and by the grace of God, we will do everything within our powers to make sure we support their families. This is the time to use our resources that we worked hard for to enhance the struggle. The battle to salvage our country from economic cankerworms and financial scavengers is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. I stand with you because all you are asking for is good governance, and yet they carried arms against you, killing you. We will not retreat. We will not surrender. Victory is sure. We shall overcome. I am Dino Melaye.
DJM TV.
Where there is no vision, the people perish. Then the book of Joel chapter 2, if you read from verse 1 to 2, he said, "In the last days I will pour my spirit upon all flesh. Your sons and daughters shall prophesy." Is when I actually, with due respect, sir, he said, "Old men shall dream dreams." Because after a very heavy load of pounded yam, you are living in Ojoeleba, you can begin to see yourself interacting with Trump. When you wake up, you find out that you are really in motion. He said, "Old men shall dream dreams." The next after it is that young men shall see vision. If you juxtapose young men shall see vision, and where there's no vision, the people perish, then you know that the future, the development, the growth of Nigeria is in the hands of the younger ones. Our Lord Jesus Christ lived 33 years as a youth. Today we can say it's followership. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was called to prophet at the age of 40. Isaac Newton proposed the law of motion at 25. But Mali lived for 30 plus years. Today we can say it's followership. There is no scientific or technological breakthrough in the world that is not done by that age bracket. So my advice is we should not waste that age bracket. Every Nigerian must decide to either walk in the light of creative altruism or will perish in the darkness of destructive selfishness. So every one of us must decide to become a change agent. And the only reason why we are where we are is fear. So we must conquer fear to move to the next level. I don't want to continue speaking before you say I'm suffering from verbal diarrhea. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website, www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.